Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Word on your phone and signing in so your files sync. Once installed, open the app and choose New or Open to access cloud or local documents. Make sure you enable storage permission so Word can read and save files. This avoids errors later. If you plan to dictate, allow microphone access now. After signing in, check OneDrive for existing docs. If none, tap New Document to begin typing immediately. You'll edit like on a PC but optimized for touch. Tap and drag to select text, then use the bottom ribbon or floating toolbar to apply bold, lists, or alignment. Once done, use Insert to add images, tables, or headers. Pinch to resize media. Make sure to apply styles for consistent headings so navigation and outline views work. If you have a long document, use Find and Replace to correct repeated errors quickly, and You'll finish by saving and sharing your work. Keep autosave to OneDrive for continuous backup, or use Save As to export PDF or store locally. When sharing, choose whether recipients can edit or only comment, and copy the sharing link or send an attachment directly. If something goes wrong, check connectivity and sign out, then back in to refresh credentials. You can also force a sync in settings or upload the file manually to the cloud. That single troubleshooting step resolves most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.